Have you ever been frustrated by your device's screen constantly turning off, interrupting your workflow or entertainment? Then here's a simple tutorial where I'll show you how you can disable the auto lock feature and prevent your phone screen from automatically turning off. For that, go to settings and then find display in the settings. After you click on display, you'll get a lot of options here. You need to find lock screen right there in the bottom of the screen, and here we have options of locking the screen, launching camera, pocket mode. Now we have to choose sleep for the Android phone. Here you can see that it's set for 5 minutes for me. That means that my phone screen will automatically turn off and lock after 5 minutes when I'm not using it. But just set it to never, and now your phone screen will never turn off automatically. So if you want to lock your device, then you need to click the lock button on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching.